Hey y'all, I want to jump on here real quick and do a little product review. For the JT Gladiator, I bought a set of Maiker off-road fender extensions. I guess they come on the Recon package. I had a lot of tire poke, a lot. And I'm running a factory wheel with a 33-inch tire, 1 3/4, Synergy manufacturing spacers. And I had a lot. Which isn't really that big of a deal, but where I live here in North Carolina, we get ice storms, and when it kicks that ice up, you can't open the doors, you can't open anything. I got the Rock Slide Engineering side steps, and they wouldn't even close because it was flinging ice up on them. So I decided to go ahead and try and remedy that best I can. So I paid about $75 for them. I'm going to put the link down below of what I got. A lot of reviews, people say something about you don't need a rivet gun, do need a rivet gun. I had to cut them to make them work. I didn't have to do anything. Didn't have to modify them at all. Don't buy a rivet gun for plastic rivets. It's ridiculous. You don't need to do it. I held them up with a flathead screwdriver, pulled on with a pair of pliers, cut off the extra with some side snips. No problems. Absolutely no problems. And they fit incredibly well. So I'm going to show you what I got and see what you think. So here they are. Like I said, extremely easy. The fit is phenomenal. Tire poke, none. Worth it. So worth it. So get them from Maiker Off-Road. They look incredible. I think it's going to get rid of a lot of that issues that I had. So when in doubt, get yourself some. And by all means, support the Warhammer Gladiator. Thank y'all.